Thompson and Wise back deep for the night. Lambert tees it up. We're set for it. Gets off against the Eagles. Lambert gets a high end over end. Back in the end zone, will come back out to 15. That's where the Rankin brings him up to the line of scrimmage. Takes the snap. Steps back at the pocket. Fires over the middle. In and out of the hands. Intended for number 12. Rankin barks the signal. Once again, steps back in the pocket, comes to the near side, and overthrows his intended receiver, number 12. Handoff comes to number 25, Weiss, as he comes to the near side and runs into heavy traffic. Runs into... Snap from center, little swing pass goes to far side. Complete to Stores. He's wrestled down on the far side. Close to the 35-yard line. We have timeout night. Fourth and 1. Snap. Handoff went to Thomas as he found some room off that left side. Gets across. Again. Handoff to Thomas and he's wrestled down. Second down and long for the night. Being rushed, gets a pass away and handed on the near side for Shoemaker. Throws it out of bounds. Rankin calls the signals and is hit hard. Once again, handoff comes to the near side. Handoff goes to Weiss, and he is correct. So nice, you're looking at a fourth down and 4. Ball rushing just shy of the Eagle 35. Snap goes to Rankin. Pass from behind him, intended for number 25 again. Weiss on the far side. Snap from center. Beaver gets the calls. He drives it right up the middle. Second and 7. Beaver once again gets the call. Slants off that right side and gets across midfield into 9. Coach snap. Goes to Lambert. Lambert still on his feet. Twists and turns across the 30 to 25-yard line. Again, Lambert gets the call. He finds some room again up the middle. Works his way close to the 20-yard line before he's wrestled down. We have a timeout Knight. Snap goes to Deaver. Slants, follows his blocker, slants off that right side, still on his feet and turns quick. Just down to the 15. Low snap, Deaver picks it up, tries to find some room as he comes to the near side and drives. Lambert takes a snap, finds some room on the near side and pushed out of bounds at the 5-yard line. Number 30 for the Eagles with the ball resting on the Knight 5-yard line. Deaver once again gets the call and wrestled down. Third down and goal for the Eagles. Lambert, pass to the far side, complete. Lambert gets the call and runs. And the point. Stands in the Money. Stand deep. At their own 5. Waits the Eagles. Kickoff. Lambert once again gets a high end over end. Taken at the 1. Tries to find some room on that far side and gets back to around the 20-yard line. Barks the signal. Thomas in motion. Comes to the near side. He finds some room. Jumps one defender. Cross midfield. Fires it down the sideline to the 15, 10, 5. Touchdown. Quarterback Eber as he into the point after. Number 11, Connor Shore, tees it up. As Deaver waits at his own 3. Gets a good one away. Taken at the 4. Deaver to the 5, the 10. And he's hit hard by number 28 to the 10-yard line. 3:10 left here in the first. Snap goes to Deaver. He finds some room and is tripped up. By number 11. Low snap, he picks it up. And it's Terrell. Once again, Deaver gets the call and he runs into traffic. Lambert gets a good one away. Taken at the 28, and he's wrestled down. First and 10, Knight. It's all at their own 36. Snap from center on a long count and flags fly once again. Again, just back in the pocket, throws to the near side, complete and almost brought down by Porter, but gets away. Shoemaker in for the touchdown as the Knights. Rankin pitches back to Thomas. Razzle dazzle and dive for the end zone. Storrs tees it up. Beaver once again wasted his own two. And he puts her airborne. Picked up at the 2 by Deaver, to the 5, to the 10. And brought down on the far side by number 82, Tyler Clausen. Made that stop on the far side. We have a flag down. Will be stepped off against the Knights. This will move the ball close to the 30-yard line. The spot will be at the 29. First and 10 Eagles with the ball resting on their own 29-yard line. With a minute left here in the first quarter. Finds some room up the middle. But runs into. Snap from center goes to Lambert. He twists and turns and gets down to the 35-yard line. He runs into. Start the second quarter, third. 7. Deaver gets a call and he finds some room and is tripped up on the near side. Once again, the snap goes to Lambert, flag fly. Snap goes to Deaver. He twists and turns and gets across the 35. Second down and 18. Deaver comes in motion to the near side. Low snap. Lambert picks it up. He finds some room on the far side. Gets down around the 20. Just right up the middle and runs into heavy traffic. Lambert tries to work his way across. And off goes to Reese. .8:40 left here in the first half. Snap from center, pitch comes to the near side. He finds some room and is tripped up by Deaver. Made a shoestring tackle. Pitch once again. Lassell. Loss of a yard on the play brings up a second down and 11. The ball resting on the 20, or excuse me, the 30. A little over 7 minutes left here in the first half. Steps back in the pocket. Fires to the far side. Incomplete. Drives it right up the middle and stops in there. Just back in the pocket. Throws to the near side. And Barnes first half. Again, takes the snap, steps back. Pass goes to the far side, complete. We have a flag. And off once again goes to Weiss. And flag in on the far side. Picked up by Rimkin. And is ripped up by Deaver. And the knife. Bad. Puts his foot in a high, end over end, taken at the goal line by Deaver. To the 10, 15, he finds some room. Gets through, midfield, 30, 20, 10. An 80-yard scamper by Deaver. As the Eagles come roaring back. They'll attempt the point after. Lambert gets the call, and the point after is good. 5:59 left here in the first half. Thomas and Sands back deep for the Knights, standing at their own 5. Lambert gets a low one away. Covered at the 35-yard line. That brings them up to the line of scrimmage. Works out the shotgun. A little swing pass comes to the near side. Complete and brought down. Stop made in there by Deaver. Thomas in motion. Handoff. Tries to turn that corner and runs into traffic on the... Pass in and out of the hand of Thomas. 7. Knights in Eagle territory. The snap, just back in the pocket. Fires over the middle. Intercepted by Deaver at the 10-yard line as he comes to the near side. Cuts back across the green and gets to the 20 and rattled down by number 37. Once again, a keeper by Rimkin, and he is rattled down from behind. This goes to Thomas. Tries to turn the corner and brought down from behind. This comes to the near side. Thomas is the ball carrier. He tackles it out of bounds. Lambert made the stop along with for the Knights. Ball resting on about the 12. Handoff went to Thomas. On camera, Rimkin. On it. Gets a pass away. In. Complete. It comes to the near side. Third and goal. Snap from center. That's back in the pocket. Fires to the far side. Touchdown, Knight. Complete to Shoemaker. And the point after is good. Shore gets a low one away, taking it to 5 by Deaver. He finds some room and drops the 20 around the 25. That goes to Deaver. Finds some room off that left side and gets across the 30. Deaver gets the call, but he's wrestled down before he can turn the corner. Deaver gets the call and he finds some room up the middle. Gets across the 30. Irish snap. Deaver cross midfield in tonight territory. Call. Again, snap goes back to Deaver. He dives off that left. First and 10 for the Eagles. Snap flag fly as Deaver is wrestled down. Deaver once again gets a call. He tries to dive. Stop. Number 25, Weeks. Gets the call, gets the pass away on the far side, complete to Deaver. Touchdown, Eagles with 3 seconds left. Lambert gets the call for the point after. Stop short. Lambert gets a low one away, taking it to the 30-yard line, comes to the near side, and he's wrestled down. Porter made the stop. And that's going to bring the first half to a close. Deaver, the lone back, waits at his own 2-yard line. Shore, number 11, tees it up. We're underway with a low one, taken at the 20. Finds some room and saves one tackler and still on his feet and gets across the 30 to around the 33. Snap once again goes to Deaver. He's way off that left side and finds someone. Deaver finds some room, tries to come to the near side, but collecting just shy of midfield. Snap once again. Deaver gets a call, gets across midfield. Ball in Knight territory. The snap from center. And Lambert was rattled down immediately. Number 74 made. Rankin takes the snap. Frazier finds some room up the middle. Tries to get to the outside and still on his feet. He made one tackler and finally brought down at the 25-yard line. And once again they slant off the right side across the 20. Third and one as Lincoln comes to the near side. Follows his blocker and dives with pylon, but out of bounds at the 1-yard line. Snap for center on the shoestring tackle and brought down for a loss on the play. Pitch comes to the near side. Stop make. Shot from behind. Came charging hard once again. Quinlan. Works out the shotgun. Pitch goes to Thomas as he tries to turn the corner. Steps out of bounds on the far side. Steps back in the pocket. And complete. Pass. Rankin barks the signal. Steps back in the pocket. Being rushed. Gets it away. Intercepted. Intercepted by Porter at the 10 as he tight lifts it down on near side. And is rolled out of bounds. Snap goes to Deaver. Follows his blockers and finds some room and comes to the near side. And gets to the 30. Ball on their own 35. Deaver finds some room and tight ropes it out of bounds across mid. Snap from center. Deaver still on his feet. He's right to midfield before he's brought down. Snap goes to Deaver, but he runs into heavy traffic. Charges. Deaver finds some room and tries to find some room off that left side. When pass comes to the near side. And a shoestring tackle by Deaver on the score. Down in 7. Works out the shotgun. Cybers comes charging hard and run down on the far side. Gets back in the pocket, being rushed. Gets the pass away, complete on the far side. Complete the score. Comes back to Thomas's Bertram. And went to Weiss as he tries to turn the corner on the far side. Redkin brings them up to the line of scrimmage. Snap from center. And right to the first and goal. Ball at the 13. Pitch comes to the near side. Lambert in on the stop. Redkin brings them up to the line. Snap. Dips back in the pocket. Plenty of time. Gets a pass away. Complete to Shoemaker. Touchdown. Bliss gets set to put her airborne. Covered by Barnes, number 1. Deaver takes the snap. He finds some room off the left side. Twists and turns across midfield. He's to the 30, to the 20, to the 10. Eagles! Down Eagles as the second. Flick away here in the third. And we have flags once again. That goes to Lambert. Eagles attempt to point after. And we have more flags down in zone. Lambert gets the call. Rattled down. And the point after is good. Miller came charging hard for the night. Counters. And he puts his foot in it. Out of bounds and come back out to the pitch. Takes a snap from center on a keeper. He finds the room off that left side, still on his feet, and rolls across the 25. Once again, Redkin keeps it on the far side. Knight to the second down and 1. Handoff, goes up the middle. He finds some room. Almost gets free, and Beaver makes the stop from center. Handoff, goes to Thomas. He tries to turn the corner, still on his feet, gets down the 10-yard line. As we have an official timeout. Just back in the pocket. Fires to the near side. Shoemaker. Touchdown. Nice. Redkin to Shoemaker. As the Knights will attempt the point after. Once again, Redkin throws the Shoemaker in and out of the hands, incomplete, and the point after no good. It's a low and away. Flag fly. 25. And brought down just shy of midfield. Once again, goes back to Lambert, evades one tackle, but then Correll back around the 30-yard line. Pass comes to the near side, complete to Deaver. Lambert gets a good one away. Takes an eagle bounce. Taken at the 20, and brought down at the 30. Keeper by Renton as he gets across midfield, 35 into Eagle territory. Stop made on the far side by Bergstrom. Comes to the near side, still on his feet, and finds some room and fires outside. Touchdown. Low one picked up at the 15. Lambert gets to the 20 before he's rattled down. Pass to the near side, intended for Deaver, broken up. And we're still on his feet, gets across the 30 to around the 31. Deaver gets a call as he slants off the right side. Flags once again fly. Tripped up from behind. Achiever comes to the near side, tries to find some room, and raffles. Taking a 15-second pleasure in the contest. That'll bring this one to a close, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, and have a safe trip home.